Want to make your profile private on Bingo Blitz? I'm Jenny from Gaming Explained, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to make your profile private on Bingo Blitz. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's jump right in. First, tap on the profile icon at the top left of your screen. Now you can see a box has appeared. At the bottom of the box, you can see who can see this. Go ahead and tap on Just Me. Now other players won't be able to see your profile and request the items in your collections. And that's it. This is how you make your profile private on Bingo Blitz. Thank you for watching Gaming Explained. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.